Yo, good morning, YouTube. What's up? Welcome back to another brand new video. So, yeah, man, first thing first, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos. Because in today's video, I just want to give you free drum kits, trap drum kits that you can use to make. Let me be slow. Let me be slow because I'm as good as it can be. Like, even though nothing is perfect, but these drum kits are perfect. High quality sound, good music, best drum kits that you can use. And if you're new to the channel, you know what to do, bro. Go to my Telegram, download the drum kit. The link is on description. So this is a trap drum kit, also with free loops that you can use to make beats. Access to your mobiles. If you can go and check my previous videos, you can see the type of beats that I make. I'm strictly focused on trap beats. Yeah, man, so right now let me just preview the drum kit for you before you can download to show you what you are going to be downloading. And yeah, man, I hope you enjoyed the drum kit as much as I enjoyed selecting it for you. Peace. So I know, man. I know, like, I know for real. Trust me, I know that I don't know you. You don't know me. But through music, we can connect. We can become brothers. We can work together. So, before I can get to the crazy part, I just want to say my name is Nicholas, and I'm a full-time music producer. I've been making music for the last 3 years, and I love the game. I mean, I love the game of making beats, and I enjoy making trap beats more than any other genre. But it's not like I can't make any other genre. But if you feel like you want beats, if you feel like you want beats, like, I don't know, man, you wanna buy beats, for sure. Let me put it that way, because we're all trying to make some bread. We're all trying to feed our family. But if you feel like you want beats, you're a rapper or a musician or a beginner or an artist or somebody who's been in the game for a long time, so make sure that you go to the link on my description, download the free beats which I share on my Telegram channel, and or link me up on my socials, Instagram, Twitter. Even though I hardly just follow me on Instagram, and text me on my email. Go to my Telegram channel and download the beats for free, man. Some of the beats I'll be selling them, but let's work together. So I got music which I make each and every month, like December, like each and every time I'm always making new music, and I feel like I need people that I can work with, right? I need people that, like, I can, like, develop my sound with. As a music producer, we all wanna share our music with the world, and like, even though I make music, I know that I can rap on this beat, but I love the music part more than rapping part. But if you're a rapper, I want to work with you. You can tell me what kind of beats you prefer, and I'll do the best I can to make the type beat, and we can work together, right? So thank you for watching. So make sure you go to my Telegram and be part of the community, or make sure you text me on my socials. Then we can list a beat, right? So peace out. Make the best kind of beats, right? You understand what I'm saying? If you have the melody perfect, even though sometimes I myself use loops, but sometimes I prefer to create my own melody from scratch. But each and every time when I'm done making a melody, I need a high quality sounding drum kit, so that if I'm adding a clap, if I'm adding a hi-hat, if I'm adding a kick, I need to make sure it's good. It's has an impact, and then it is like communicating with my melody. So I don't want a drum kit that is like bad sounding and it's not like high quality like the melodies that I'm making. Like, have you ever found a beat where like the melody is fire, or the loop that you're using, but the claps, the 808, like there's no quality? But in this free drum kit that I'm giving away to you, I made sure that I selected the best high quality sounding drums. You know, some of these drums are from Splice, of course. I got a subscription. So if you don't have a subscription, so just go to my Telegram. The link is on description, and download the drum kit and start making beats, any kind of beats, R&B, trap, hip hop, boom bap. The drum kit is there for everybody who needs the drums. So anyways, this video was for me sharing the drums. I know that I haven't been posting for a while, but I'm trying to be consistent. And this month, July, August, let's say this time from July to December, I'll be like full time on this channel. I promise, guys. I always say something like this, but I find myself busy doing other things. But yeah, man, I'll be trying to do the best I can to improve on this channel, getting the camera, the microphone. But it takes time, bro, and I'm willing to devote my all on this channel to give you the best in music, right? So I'm myself a music producer. I'm a full-time music producer. I'm always making beats, and I got too many beats that I want to share with you guys. And I know that the only thing that I have is time to do all these things, to edit my videos, to make them look good, to make them, even though there's nothing perfect, right? But just trying to make them look as legit and real as it can be, because the aim is for me to share my experience so that somebody out there could get inspired, motivated, and go and do something with their life, right? So I'm trying to do something with my life. I'm trying to make the music that I love, and I'm trying to share it with the world. There's nothing wrong with sharing the music with the world. The only thing I want, right? I'm looking at the camera right now. The only thing I want is a positive feedback. If I make a beat and it's trash, then if the beat is trash, bro, just be honest. I myself, I know when I'm making beats that sometimes I make trash beats, bro. I make trash beats, you know. Doesn't work like that. Days are not the same. Sometimes I make a beat, like sometimes I make a beat and I feel like it's not me who made the beat, but because like it's me who was making the beat, but still it doesn't feel right, you know. But because I know, and you know, as a music producer, that days are not the same. Sometimes you feel good, sometimes you feel bad. 10 beats within 30 minutes, like it's insane, bro. But I realized most of my beats, the best sounding beat which I ever made in FL Studio Mobile, I take 10 to 30 minutes, you know, mixing and mastering and all that. But anyways, I'm back on the YouTube channel, and I want to drop as possible as many times as, cause like, man, I'm at home, bro, and most of the time, man, there is a lot of noise, sound, yeah, there's noise, everything is chaos. But I'm trying to be consistent. I'm trying to make sure everything is on point, you know, like the kind of music that I listen to, bro. Right now I was listening to who's this again? Young Boy NBA. Yeah, NBA Young Boy hard, and the music that is making is kind of like changing, different, evolving. You know, it's crazy, bro. I've been listening to Burna Boy, listening to other kind of music like pop, like you know, etc., etc. But the most important thing that I want you to do, right, is to start making beats. Even if you're already making beats, just don't feel like giving up. You know, you never know what you're gonna get. Like, never know what you're gonna get. So make sure you enjoy the drum course, and yeah, man. See you in the next video. Let me go and make some beats. Peace.